Hey, beautiful souls, welcome to my channel, Mother Life series. Today was the very emotional connect. I had it in the morning. I feel like, I was having a calling that I have to really take cards for the people who are just emotionally having a lot of baggages and really wanted to, get out of those emotions and wanted to know what will be there with whether they have taken the path right or not. So that was the calling in the morning. So, and I just picked up my cards accordingly, the angelic guidance for the month, and also the people who were suffering from all these emotions and really wanted to know, can't express it, and they really wanted to know what can they do it. So what was the, yeah, exactly. So what is the things like what I'm going to give you a very beautiful healing mantra today, so that using those that healing energies and mantras, you can really heal your emotions and really work on with the cards guidance and imagine how things really going to be like that. So let's wait for it. Do you want to know what is that mantra and really wanted to get heal yourselves and how you're going to say? Today I'm going to say not only the mantra, it's also about the how you have to say. So let's connect with me and stay sit in a comfortable place whenever it do it. You can pause this video before you're wanted to join with me. You can pause the video and then listen to it because I'm recording it in a live, at a stream. So you can pause the video and wait, sit in a comfortable place or when there is no alone. So take a deep breath, hand breathe in, breathe out. You just, 7 times breathe in and breathe out so that your energies and all the chakras get aligned. And now, what you have to do is close your eyes, sit in a very comfortable place, and now focus on your own inner selves, that emotions, whatever things is happening with you, even if there is tears coming on, let it roll on. And now you can also have a glass of water and handkerchiefs when there is an emotion comes out. It is very good that we cannot, there's no need to hold yourselves and have this pain in the heart. So you just can let go all those emotions, keep it aside, and sit in a very comfortable position and get into a room. If you want to do it, close it and sit in a very comfortable position. Take 7 times, breathe in and breathe out. Just focus on your breath because that gives you lot of energies, and that gives you you can see that really transform yourself. Just close your eyes and take 7 times deep breath and hold yourselves. Now I've already spoken about the healing mantra. Now again I'm going to tell you this healing mantra is going to remove all the emotional baggages, whatever. And it's a very powerful Hawaiian practice that helps to cleanse your emotional baggages and your pain, whatever you are having in your heart. So let's have those somehow. Let's focus on it. Sit in that comfortable position and, whatever the emotions, negative emotions yours coming in, let it go. Don't ask questions. Let the emotions come out and let the come out and then do it. What you have to say, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. That's your saying it to your own self. Now you repeat it with me. I'm sorry. Your start. First thing is that you have to take the 100% responsibility for whatever the emotions you're facing it, because unless you don't really take the 100% responsibility, because then you will not be able to heal it thoroughly. So you have to keep your hand, gently keep your hand in your heart and say that I take 100% responsibility for all the emotions I'm facing right now, and even any negative. I take 100% responsibility for all those discomfort I'm facing right now. I take 100% responsibility for all those damages I've created within myself and outside due to these negative emotions. So once you've taken the 100% responsibility, now you have to say, I'm sorry. I just acknowledge, I'm sorry. You're just acknowledging whatever the negative emotions, even if you have felt it, that is it. I'm sorry. and now you're asking forgiveness. Ask forgiveness for within your own self, because you are just hurt your own self badly with all those emotions, negative state of mind. You say that, please forgive me, and you're asking the universe to just, you are asking the universe of forgiveness for hurting your own self and also the others who was that you have hurt into it. I'm sorry, please forgive me for all those emotions I've hurting I've made it within myself and also to the others created. It's good to say how you also, again a question comes, how can you say that forgiveness to others? It is fine. The people who have even you hurt you, you have to say forgiveness to them. You have to forgive them. You start forgiving. And also thank you so much for helping me to this healing in process, and thank you so much for bringing me to connecting with people who are just trying to help me in healing. Thank you so much for all this good moments who were just coming into my life to heal my own emotions. And these, thank you for all these negative emotions which is given to me, because these negative emotions has created and given me a lesson what, how can I overcome, and how can I this great lesson in my life. So, and now you have to say, you have to love your own self. It's like you have to love your own self, and it's a divine positive energy when you really love your own self. Yes, you have to love your own self. Say that, I love you, because with the pain or without the pain, you have to love your own self. The self love is very important. Self love is help you to transform all the emotions and bring it to a better version of your own self. So these are the healing practices. Keep your eyes closed. When you're saying this, have your phone on your head, this thing, and listen to it carefully and repeat it. I'm sorry. Now again, you repeat it with me. I'm sorry for all the emotional hurt and the emotional negative emotions I created within myself. Please forgive me for all that hurt, all that hurts I have done it within myself, and also hurted people knowingly or unknowingly. Please forgive me. Thank you for giving me these kind of negative emotions, and that has taught me a lot of lessons in my life, and how that has helped me to overcome the emotions and move ahead in life. Thank you so much for all those negative emotions, and I love you. I love you for those negative situations, and I love you for all. This is like a self love. You're loving, saying that I love you for that. With pain or without pain, you help me to do all the daily routine of my own self, even with the pain or without the pain. Thank you so much. And that these are the beautiful Hawaiian prayer you can see whenever you are feeling emotionally painful. Even though you're not able to say it in artistry, like that. Simple words you can say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. So these are the simple words, like magical words. You can heal your emotions and will help you to move ahead in a life in a better way. So stay connected with me for all these kind of small tips, but it's got a profound impact in your life. Bye bye. But see you then.